Hi. Welcome to the first ever episode of Chad Cooks. So, what we're doing today, mini frickles. Got some stuff prepped here. You got the little wonton wrapper. Ham. There's kale. This is my boy Kale. Baby Swiss. You like baby Swiss? Yeah. And then a couple of them I'll put a little jalapeno. Alright, I got the pan heating up oil here, or oil as my southern folk would say. Oil, little oil, rocking. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is this first one. I'm going to take a little piece of this ham. Put this in there like this. What I didn't do was get the pickles.
Pickles!
Today I'm using a sandwich pickle, kosher dill, right there. If you don't like kosher, then I don't know what to tell you. Dill, only pickles to ever eat. Bread and butters are not good. So what I did there is I took a little piece of that, put that right in there like that.
And wrap it up.
Not yet.
Cheese.
You take this little piece of cheese. Put that in there like so. It's more of like a wonton frickle thing. I couldn't find any egg roll wrappers at Meijer today. Meijer, get your egg roll wrappers in there so I can make a good frickle, big frickles. Now I'm making these little wonton frickles. So, alright. It is imperative that you wet down the outside edges of the wonton wrapper. Or guess what? They won't stick. They will not stick. What's that, Kale?
They won't stick.
They won't stick. Correct. Nothing worse than a non-sticking wonton.
Oh, you found one of mine? Yeah, that day. Oh, can I draw something? That's awesome.
Booyah. Now we gotta check the oil. A couple more minutes.
A couple more minutes.
Watch out, buddy. Alright, so there's the old frickle wonton, whatever you want to call it. I don't care what you call it.
And then
Just don't call it bad names. We don't use this.
That?
No, let's use a spatula.
Yes, spatchy.
This oil, or oil, as my southern folk would say, is a little warm. You throw that in there like that, boom, right there.
And then we
Bingo.
have to make another one and put it
Cooking. It's cooking. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to start making another one up here. I'll make one of the jalapeno ones up.
Well, that one's roasting.
While that one's roasting. A little jalapeno. Oh, let's put the old meat down first.
Roasting in a pan. Like a marshmallow.
Like a marshmallow, huh? I'm going to put the meat down first.
And then you just have to put the chocolate on.
Then I'm going to take the pickle.
And then just cut it into a little piece and then just
Cut the
put
pickle.
it on. Easy.
Take the jalapeno.
And put it on. And take the cheese and put it on.
Take a piece of cheese. Put it on. And then what do we do with the wonton?
Wrap it up.
Yeah, but what do we do first?
Put some stuff on it.
You wet the edges, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because what won't happen if you wet it won't stick, right?
Yeah.
Gotta wet her down. Real good, too.
And then you have to wrap it up.
Then you wrap it up
Like a taco.
like a taco.
When that one's roasting, you have to put another one in now. Like a marshmallow. What was that?
Kale,
Huh?
are you gonna be a chef when you get older?
No.
What are you gonna be?
A chef.
You're gonna be a chef?
Yeah. Just like you.
Oh yeah? Just like me. Yeah, he wants to be a chef just like me. Oh, that looks good, don't it? Don't that look good?
Yeah, but I don't like that kind of cheese. I've tried it and I didn't like it.
You eat them all the time in the frickles. We're gonna get that one cooked. We're gonna take it to mom and see how she likes it. Right? These mini frickles. What we're calling them here.
Minis.
Mini frickles. I bet mom likes it.
Me too.
Who wouldn't? Right? Right?
Racer wouldn't. You like it? Oh, yeah, this is his memory thing. See that?
Yeah. That just happened.
I'm right here.
Come here, bud.
Hi.
Come here.
Okay. Couldn't get out. I was trapped in the chair.
Kale was trapped in the chair.
And you finally got out.
Finally got out. Must be hard living the life of a 5-year-old.
Mommy? Yeah. You try it. For you.
He said he doesn't like those that cheese that goes in there.
I have this to make shakes.
He has that to make shakes, which we might do an episode of Teresa Cooks with Chad here shortly. Maybe in the near future here.
Yeah, and then you can just do kale.
And then maybe we'll do like a Kale Cooks with Chad. And then like a Vivian, my daughter, she cooks with Chad. You know, maybe we'll do like a little thing going on there.
Yeah,
That whole
we can just do this.
that whole thing.
We can just do this to do it.
Yeah.
Because I really want to try this.
You really want to try that, huh?
Yes.
What is it anyways? Kind of unprepared here. I should have had a bunch of these made up before I started this, but
Is this
now you get to
roasting?
see what's going on,
Is
right?
this roasting?
No, that's done. That's for me though. Mama don't like that one because it's got jalapeno in it.
Another one is gonna roast. We're roasting another one. Right, Dad?
Yup.
We're gonna.
We're roasting.
I wish we could just roast marshmallows in there.
We probably could. I could probably do a marshmallow one of these days, like a marshmallow thing going on there.
And
There's
then,
another one going in the hole here.
And then we can do another one with this.
Hey, Guy Fieri, you see this? Give me a call. Be on my way right now, buddy. Teresa, did you eat it? Well, tell me how it tastes. I'm interested to know.
Yep.
I'm gonna try this one with the jalapeno in it here in a minute.
Let me make something. Right up
mini frickles, or frictons, or frickletons, or whatever you want to call them. That's what they are. Just little mini guys. They're good for like Super Bowl parties or New Year's Eve parties or Christmas parties or whatever kind of party you want to throw. They would be good for that. Birthday party, I don't care. Any kind of party. Or just, Super Bowl party. You just hanging out with the guys watching a football game or
Yeah, just watching the football game.
UFC fights.
Better than larvae.
Or whatever you want to watch.
Yeah, it's better than larvae.
Yeah, it's way better than that show.
Even Garfield.
I mean, who doesn't like Garfield?
Nobody.
Everybody likes Garfield. Well, we're going to give this a shot. My first one here. This is one with the jalapeno in it.
Yeah, eat it. Is it good?
What are you live on?
I'm not.
Oh.
I'm recording.
Strikers.
They're pretty good. They're pretty good. Here's the other one I made that just is a regular one. Kale, can you bring that plate with your mom's frickleton on it?
That's really good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Need more cheese?
No.
Here.
Who's this?
That's another one.
For Mom?
Sure, she wants it.
No, I don't want any.
Hear that crackle? You gotta love the crackle. You gotta love the crackle this thing
You
shows.
gotta love this. You gotta love this.
Look. Next one, we're gonna do a little of this right here. All right. Everybody knows. He's super excited about that stuff. I don't even know what it is, but we'll do one of that right there for him.
Can we do that? Can we do the shake one in the morning?
Maybe.
Because Mom's not gonna be home.
Oh, maybe we should do it when Mom's home because she's better at shakes than I am. What do you think?
Good.
You think she's better at shakes than me?
Yeah.
Because that's kind of what she does, kind of. You know?
My sister got cotton candy.
She got cotton candy one.
Yeah.
What'd you guys get those for?
Christmas.
Who brought them to you?
Santa.
Santa brought you those?
Mhm.
In your stocking?
Yeah. I think, I don't know.
Well, you're so excited about it. How do you not know?
Why is there raviolis in here? Yeah.
Here's another Frickton.
I would get that with the spatula and do it. A spatula.
Another one going down the hole.
Going too hard. Jalapeno again, already biting.
I think the key is the jalapeno. Yep. Way better with the jalapeno in it. And the pickle. I mean, they're good without the jalapeno too, but the jalapeno, that's what makes it. That's what makes it.
I can make you.
Yep. There, that's a good looking one right there. All right, I got one more I'm gonna cook. Hey, you want any more? All right. So this is gonna be a jalapeno one. I'm gonna do this one with a little sauce in here, right? For my last one. A little of this. Straight from the Swiss Alps. Compliments of Katrin. This stuff will knock your socks right off. If you have too much. It's not bad though. I've never been defeated, so.
I don't want to make that dead.
But it's good. You gotta watch your dose though, because like I said, it will be hot.
Don't eat a lot of it.
Teresa's telling me not to eat a lot of it, but she knows how I am. She tries to tell me.
Get your Jameson.
Evidently, this stuff killed a guy once. So, there's always that. That could happen. But it won't. Because I have the gut of a goat.
I just made a dabbing guy.
They call me all old goat gut.
Dad, I just made a dabbing.
All right, I'm trying to do something here.
He's just trying to show you.
Can I have some? This is
About all you want right now. That might be too much, but
Leave that over here. Please get your jammies on. Okay, put it away.
wetting her down.
Dad, you want one?
Yeah, just put her right there, bud. Mom doesn't want it?
Keep it away from kids.
Yeah, that's what it says. Keep away from kids, doesn't it?
Yeah. And I don't know why it has a skull on it. Do you know why?
Yeah, because it's hot. Don't touch it.
Whoa.
Dude, it'll burn your eyes if you get it, like, in your eyes. And then you...
Lick it off.
I'm not licking that off. Go wash your hands. You got to go wash your hands now because of that.
What did he do?
He got some of that on his hands.
That hot sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, go wash your hands.
Lick it off.
No, it's a burning hot. Go wash your hands.
Told him not to touch it. Don't listen.
Because if you touch your eyes with it, it'll burn. Go. Go. You'll have to go to the hospital.
Okay. I
Booyah!
washed my hands in
That
here.
one's in there. Go in the bathroom, wash your hands.
Got some water.
Go in the bathroom, wash your hands.
I just got a little water, but I can wash it all.
Go in the bathroom, wash your hands with soap, please. Go.
I know, but I thought that was a hot sauce.
Yeah, okay, but
It's
alright, go.
not.
Wash your hands. Oh, yeah. You gotta love a good jalapeno. You know? I mean, a good jalapeno. Not any of that garbage. Alright, I'm gonna call that one the Death Frickle. Save that one for last. Alright. Well, thanks for joining me on the episode of Chad Cooks. Hope to see you next time, maybe tomorrow. See what happens. Frickletons or fricktons or whatever you want to call them. Right there they are. Looking good. Good. All right. Until next time. Thanks.